car's not ready to go yet. So, looks like a ghost or something. So I'm going to re-record some ocean wave sounds for my sleep videos. Alright? Windy today. Sorry about the wind rolling through the microphones. It's a difficult thing to fix. Hopefully you can hear enough of the normal sound so that that doesn't matter too much. Not much happening out there. So there might be a ship down there coming in. sandbar appearing there or disappearing, one of the two. Something shiny down there. But yeah, we'll do the whole panoramic. Not many pictures of this beach online. I looked in the tourist part and don't really see any pictures of this beach. So wait till the car's ready to leave, and that'll be the video for today, because I can't take the car up to the next one and turn it off and then it'll be stuck again. See that big green part in the middle? That's where it's deep. See the brown part? That's where it's not so deep. That's where it's shallow. Though shallow can be anything from a couple of inches to meters. So, and then you've got the sand underneath sinking. So let's go for a walk. Oh, I caught it. Yeah, there's not much to see down this way. I know that, because it kind of ends right there. However, we can go this other way. Maybe we'll see a cool shell. There's been a dog on this beach. Doggy footprints. Probably people live here. Just done the feeding the green ants. Not cold really, it's sort of more warmish. It's coolish, you know. Oh, there's a lot of sand there. There's too much sand. There's little shells there we used to use them as fingernails. Pretend we had really long fingernails. So yeah. Those shells at the high tide mark. Trying to get my fitness up again for doing morning walks again. I've really got to get the car's fitness up. I bought the cord I thought was the right one, but it's not. It's OEBD. I don't even know there was an OEBD. There's OBD, OBDO, OBDE, OBD1 and OBD2. And of course I've got the OBDO, which is the oldest and hardest one to find a connection for. So I found one, I ordered it, waiting to see if it turns up. I don't feel like doing anything. Hopefully that'll be enough ocean sounds. We'll cut that into a thingo video. I've got to promote my sleep videos. I think dogs really have a big run along this beach. Look at footprints everywhere. They're running along this beach. Let's go and see if the car's ready to go yet. I know my channel is flooded with gaming at the moment, but it's all I can do. The car doesn't want to start. I can't really go anywhere. I want to get an electric bike or electric scooter so I can go places even when the car's had it, when the car doesn't want to work. So if you can help with that, I'd be interested, it'd be much appreciated. I don't know. I see a lot of videos of things of electric bikes and that exploding, but that's overcharging. That's because you read what's on the label, you plug it in, and you set a timer for when it's done. And then you unplug it. You don't leave it on the power, because when you leave it on the power for too long, it'll explode in flames, just like any electrical thing. They all do that. Most companies are wise enough to make it so that it turns itself off. Anyway, I'll walk back to the car and see if it'll start. Don't know if it will. Oh, I know it will. It'll start. Whether it'll be now, whether it'll be in an hour or two, I don't know. I really don't. I shouldn't hold the camera like that because you're looking up my nose. I don't know if it'll be right now, an hour,